Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be going over how to fix the Steam disk write error, and let's get straight into it. So the first thing I recommend doing is going over to Steam, right clicking on it and hit properties. From properties you can go over to the compatibility tab, and I want you guys to check two boxes. The first box you guys can check is run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 8, and then the second box you guys can check is run this program as an administrator. Once you go ahead and check those two boxes, go ahead and hit apply and then hit OK. And then you can X out. And then the second method you guys can do is go open up Steam and then go over to Steam again in the top left and click on exit. What this basically does is it like restarts Steam, and it also updates Steam. So like if there's any updates, it will update as well. And that also does fix the issue as well. So once you do all of these things, I also do recommend restarting your PC as well, because that also does tend to help. And yeah, so that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.